Okay, we're gonna do the delicata squash salad. We have ricotta salad right here with the grated for garnish. We have rosemary that's fried and it's nice and crispy, quinoa cooked, and arugula and the delicata squash rings that are seared on the cast iron pan. Start off with the bowl. You're gonna put the quinoa in it. And you need to make sure that you season the quinoa a little bit. It should already been seasoned. The water should have been seasoned before cooking the quinoa so that it has the flavor within it. And make sure you do the dressing around it so that you dress the item and not dredge it in dressing. So it's about 2 or 3 turns or rings around the bowl. And then after you toss the quinoa around, you'll add the arugula. And same thing, a little bit more dressing for the arugula. Lightly toss that around, not to beat up the lettuce. Okay. And then we plate. Trick to it is you can have it pre-grated like this one, or since you already have a large wedge for garnish, you can go ahead and just grate straight into the bowl. And the cheese is like the salt in the salad. And I like to put some of the arugula to the side. And then when I do plate, I usually put the quinoa on the bottom. Okay, and then slowly layer the salad so that it's not so flat. Because if you just dump it all, then the quinoa will weigh down the arugula, and then it'll just be a flat dish. And once everything's put together, you're gonna add the squash that's already roasted. If it's cold, you'll keep it at room temp, but if it feels cold, you'll just lightly put it in the salamander with a sizzle plate. Put 1 ring on each corner. Okay. And then dress it with some fried rosemary. And go ahead and peel some ricotta peels on top for garnish. Okay, and then that will be the dish.